start earning from that skill even before you finish learning it. That's what this video is going to be telling you. Any skill at all you're learning, be it affiliate marketing, be it dropshipping, be it data analysis, whatever skill you're learning, I want to show you can start earning from it immediately while you are also learning it. You're still learning it too, but you become big money. Yes, I'm going to show you that. Now, if you're just stopping by, please hit on the red subscribe button, because you don't want to miss out on any content like this. That's your skill. I want to tell you how you can get your first client even while still on it. You're still on it, but you'll be getting clients back to back. Now, let's say you're studying, you got a data analysis course, you want to learn it, you're interested in data analysis. Maybe you went to Coursera, you went to other platforms like maybe LinkedIn Learning or whatever, and you got the course, you paid for the course, and you are learning it. Let me show you how to get your first client. Yes, quickly. Now, let me tell you what you're going to do. You're learning that skill, right? What you need to do is pick a social media platform. Yeah, come closer. Pick a social media platform. When you pick a social media platform, what you need to do is document your journey. Do you hear me right? Start documenting your journey. See, you don't have an excuse. You're learning a course. You're learning a skill, right? Be it graphic designing, be it come to social media, go to X, thread, valuable thread. Go to Facebook, write a very long post, put screenshots. Go to LinkedIn, write a very long post. I'll tell you what to write, and I'll tell you how to get your first client. Just calm down. That's why I'm here. Okay? I'm here for you. Now, what you need to do, day one of learning that skill, go to X, make a thread. You could even opt in for the X premium version of it. You pay for it and you get in. Go to X, make a tweet. First day in my life, a day in my life as an aspiring data analyst. This is what I learned. Day 2, a day in my life and as an aspiring graphic designer. This is what I learned. Day 3, a day in my life as a Fiverr entrepreneur or as a Fiverr worker. This is what I learned. A day in my life as an aspiring ghostwriter. This is what I learned. A day in my life as a graphic designer. This is what I learned. A day in my life as a scriptwriter. This is what I learned. A day in my life as a screenplay writer. This is what I write. What I learned. A day in my life as a proofreader. This is what I learned. A day in my life as a virtual assistant. This is what I learned. A day in my life. You don't need to make videos if you know you don't want to show your face. Go on LinkedIn. See, storytelling now is new. People will get to trust you and connect with you when they read your tweets and they find it relatable. They get to follow you. They go follow you. Even on LinkedIn, they will just follow you immediately. Give value through storytelling. Come out and share your experience. Let me tell you something you're doing. You're documenting your journey. And when you document your journey, that is your visible portfolio that your client needs to give you that job that you don't even know. So you don't sleep on it. You're sleeping on it. Whatever skill you want to learn, you pay the cost to learn that skill. Be it ghostwriting, anything at all. Copywriting, Amazon KDP, how you were able to navigate Amazon KDP, how you made so amount so day in just your first day of learning that Amazon KDP. See, let me tell you something. You don't need to use it to claim people's results. Just by documenting your journey, people will find you relatable, people will find you friendly, connect with you, and want to do business with you. Because you're showing your experience. See, let me tell you something. Maybe today you learned Excel. Tell us both the downside of it, advantage and disadvantage. Make it really relatable so that when we come to watch, or when we come to read your tweet, or when we come to read your post on LinkedIn, we are like, wow, this person doesn't just know this particular, actually knows the downside of it and knows how to navigate it. You can even put screenshots of how you're navigating Python, of how you learned Python, how ChatGPT was able to clear your doubt. See, let me tell you, so document it, oh God. Document your journey. Brands reach out to you. Companies will begin to fish you out. They will reach out to you immediately. See, let me tell you something. LinkedIn now is the best place because as you're documenting your journey, your post is actually going to the right audience. It will start going to CEOs of companies. Before you know it, they will inbox you. We have been going through your post. We want to work with you. Oh my God. You're sleeping on opportunities. Document your journey till you finish learning that thing. People will see you as an expert. People will start seeing you as an expert and they want to work with you because you just freshly learned that skill. You have a lot of ideas, you have a lot of knowledge. People want to work with you because you just newly learned it. So you're the best fit for that job. You don't even know. If you don't document it, you'll be hidden. Nobody will know you learned that skill. Nobody will know you know it. Waiting for your first client before you can come and post on LinkedIn, before you can come and post on Facebook. Post your document your progress. Document your progress. You can even make a post. Hi, I finally got used to using Excel. Share your experience. Don't try to make yourself sound so good. Show your vulnerability and how you came out of that vulnerability is a progress. Make people see that progress in your tweet, in your post. They will trust you, like you, and want to work with you. See, let me tell you something value. Drop fire in the comment section. This is a wake-up call for you. This is a wake-up call for you that you should not sleep on it. So you don't tell me that you're waiting for your first client. Why haven't you made your first job? You bought a course of 100K, a forex trading course, and you have not made your first. You have not gotten any money from that skill because you're sleeping on opportunities that are glaring in front of you. A day in my life as an aspiring what? Forex trader. A day in my life as an aspiring crypto trader. This is what I learned about the market structure. You are educating people. Let me tell you something. If you do it for 30 days consistently, people will follow you. People will like you. People will trust you because you're showing up. People also want to work with you. Brands want to work with you. Also want you to teach them. By so doing, you could even create a digital course and sell to them on Seller. This is how you have made money before your first clients even come to you. You create a course, make a video compilation of all those things you have learned, and sell it to people. People will buy because you've been giving them value since day one till the 31st day. They have trusted you, they love what you're doing, and they will buy your products. What are you saying? Don't sleep on it. Stop to wake up right now. You have to wake up. Don't sleep on it. So I hate to hear when people say I bought a course and I've not gotten value. You've not gotten value because you don't want to get value. You don't want to make money from it. Anyways, you can sell yourself out there and still make the bucks. Stop playing. Do you get me? So please and please document your progress. Before the 31st day of constantly documenting your progress, one brand will reach out to you. I tell you for a fact, one person will reach out to you. I'm interested, I want to learn from you. How much will I pay? Because they have seen the value you consistently give out. So start documenting your progress today. Don't wait for your first client. Document till nothing is left. You'll be glad you documented your journey. Because by that time you start improving, people will come back to your profile and be like, oh my god, this was what he was making. He was actually making $500 before. Now this, after 6 months of documenting his journey, oh my god, he's now making $1,000. There's progress. Okay, this was how he started. Oh my god, I'm beginning to trust this person. Let me connect with this person. Let me network with this to work with this person. This person has an experience. Because many companies now are looking for experience. And your experience can only be seen when you document your journey and you show us your visible portfolio. So I'll catch you in my next video. Hope you got